Navigation within Maya 2011 is the same as all other Mayas, but if you never learned navigation within Maya, here's a Mac, and what I want to do is show you the optimal performance settings that you need to set up for your Mac. Make sure this button's on. Pretty easy. Also, you should be aware of this. Zoom using scroll holding control. Okay, and I'll show you why. Now, I'm okay with that because I'm very used to having the scroll button on. So if, take for instance, if you hit control and wheel in, it allows you to do this. This is certainly not navigating within Maya, but you'll accidentally push it all the time if you're a complete noob. It's great for me as an instructor because I can go this button here to the class. Okay, that one. So I use this all the time. If you're a new user, I would probably shut it off. Just letting you know. Now, difference between Mac and PC. PC, you're going to hear or know that you're going to have to push the control button for the command button. Okay? So, Mac is command, PC is control. Other than that, no difference whatsoever. Now, that means if you hold the command button and left mouse button, will allow you to rotate. Middle mouse button, now that it's set up, will allow you to pan, and right mouse button will allow you to zoom. You can also zoom by just not holding anything and using the little wheel mouse on the keyboard or the mouse. Okay, that's navigation. You can also do the same using this little box, which is kind of awkward sometimes to use, but I notice a lot of new users use this. And here's how you get back home. If you click spacebar, it will take you to the other views. So here's your other orthographic views, in which you can navigate just the same as all the other ones, except for rotate, of course. Rotate does not work in your orthographic views. Okay, and I think I covered how to get them back. Let's say I lose my orthographic view front. Well, it's because somebody probably touched some button and it made it the top. Okay, so now I have two tops. Well, if I need that back, I can just go back into orthographic and I can go front. And there I have all three of them. Okay, that's an easy way to set it back. Alright, now one more thing. Just make sure this is off. Interactive creation. Turn that off. Let's make a Polygon primitive. And what will happen is usually they get zoomed out way beyond belief, they being new users. So like let's say for instance this happens. Okay, where's my part? I always get asked that. So if you hit F on the keyboard, F is in Frank, over any of the views, it'll allow you to go right back into the part. Well, what if you're zoomed out so far that you accidentally off-click on a part? If you hit F, does it know? Yes, it does know. But in the absolute worst case scenario, we can also go into Window Outliner, and this allows you to see the object in reference. So I can be zoomed out, and if I hit F and hit, it'll go back in because there's only one object. But if there's two, like that, polycube 1, I hit F, it goes into there. Polycube 2, F, bounces it over there. So this works great if you have multiple objects. That navigation trick is awesome. Alright, so that's Navigation 101 within Maya. On to the next video.